All right, folks, welcome once again to the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien, and today we're going to talk about your target audience and how to teach ChatGPT about all the aspects of your target audience. So here's what I did. It's really simple. All I did was say, I want you to learn about my target audience. What do you need from me? Okay. And then ChatGPT told me to best learn about your target audience. I need some specific information. Here are some things that would be helpful. And we talked about demographics and their profession, what they're interested in, their behaviors, their pain points, very important aspect of your target audience, what their struggles are. And then their pleasure points. What are they looking for? What are their goals, their values, their desires? What do they really want? And how can you provide that? And then any previous interactions they've had with your brand, as well as the competitors. So that's really it. But also, we're going to ask ChatGPT, okay, once I have all this information, how should I present it to you? So we're going to give them various aspects of all the things it already told us, but what it did was expand on that. So it's giving you examples now. Like, my target audience is mainly women from 25 to 45, for example, and they have a college degree and talks about their income. All right. And then another example for profession and industry. They are entrepreneurs, professionals in marketing roles. They struggle with generating high quality content for their business, their interests and behaviors. And see, it's giving us examples. All right. So it's making it really easy for you to teach ChatGPT about your target audience. So all you do, first of all, you ask, I want you to learn about my target audience. What do you need from me? Then when it gives it to you, say, okay, how should I present it to you once I have it? And that's it. It's so easy. So when you're doing this, when you're teaching ChatGPT about your target, which is really important if you want to do anything in the future with ChatGPT, whether it's writing a sales page or an email or social media posts or anything, your target audience, it's really important for ChatGPT to know that information, and it helps you. So good luck doing it, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit subscribe before you head out.